What's Liddy gang, and welcome back to another video. Y'all, today I am going to the grocery store. I gotta pick up, like, I'm gonna just say groceries for the week, or whatever I pick up, but we not trying to ball. We trying to at least do like 100, 150, but if we can go less than 100, then that's what we gonna do. So I'm gonna go to Kroger since it's only like 5 minutes away from campus, and I really didn't want to get up and go to the grocery store, but it was just like, you have no meal plan, you have no meals, you have no food, you have no snacks. The only thing I have is noodles and potatoes. Like, let's just get into it. But we're gonna go to the grocery store. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah, y'all, okay, so it's already awkward enough to be vlogging in public. Now I gotta walk past a group of people that's out here talking about sign a petition, make donations, and do all of that. Like, but anyway, we finna make this fast. Okay, y'all, so I made it in and I got my basket. Now, it was a struggle getting the basket. I just found this one somewhere in the store, but y'all, I'm in the lotion aisle. I'm like, girl, what the fuck you in the lotion aisle? But I do need some lotion for my face, but not no $6 lotion. Like, where's the $3 lotion? Oh, right here, $3.79. It's good lotion for your face. Cocoa butter, that really is good, for real. See, you keep looking, you'll find it. And it's a weird man in here, so I'd really hate to have to spray his ass in his eyes, but we gonna keep grocery shopping. I'm gonna try this ice cream and see how it goes. It's cotton candy with like sprinkles and all of that. I'm gonna try it out. It's only $1, might as well. If you don't check your eggs, then you don't know how to grocery shop, period. Now comment down below which flavors y'all get, because I get strawberry lemonade and I get peach mango, but they don't have that one. So comment down below which flavors y'all get right now. I be trying to see like what else I should get, but I don't be knowing. And I put my mask down because I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, and I need y'all to hear this. But yeah, I don't be knowing what else to get. Like, when I was grocery shopping with my mom, it was like a little bit easier because she could like guide me on what to get. But if I'm going by myself, I'ma just get snacks, and like, that's not what we want. We don't want snacks, we want real ass food, you know. But I got some juice, and I'ma just get some chips, cause I just be munching. I be munching. If you know, you know. Okay, y'all, so I didn't spend much at all. If anything, I went like way below budget, but that's also because I probably couldn't get as much stuff as I wanted to, because the people in Kroger were just very much creeping me the fuck out. Like, all the men kept like following me like aisle to aisle, or like they would just be looking, and it was just like low-key throwing me off, and I couldn't focus. So I'm gonna go to Aldi really quick before it gets too dark. Well, I mean, it's not even dark, but by the time I get out of the store, it's gonna be dark, and I still have to walk with these damn groceries to my room. So Aldi is canceled. Aldi is canceled, not because they did anything racist or anything, but I'm just not going there today. So this is gonna be a 2-day vlog, today and tomorrow. I'm not going there because as soon as I freaking pull up, I end up at a car show. I mean, like, they out hanging, like, hanging. Like, I thought the racetrack across the street from Commons was bad. That's worse than the, if you know, you know. That's worse than the racetrack across the street from Commons. If you go to GSU, you know. You know. And that was just something I couldn't do, not today. And y'all, let me tell you, I'm trying to go in, like, I'm trying to park, like, not park, but I'm trying to turn into Aldi parking lot, because they next to something else. But I'm trying to turn into Aldi parking lot, And this man in his charger coming the wrong way. Like, he's trying to go out the entrance way. I'm in, and like, I'm turning in, and he's trying to come out. So at this point, we like nose to nose, like head, car wise. We like nose to nose, and he going like this to me, talking about, and making it seem like I'm going the wrong way. No sir, no sir. So I'm looking, I'm like, I'm going the wrong way. He like, yeah. I back up, I let him out. I look at the arrow. I was going the right way. I sure was. But it's, you know, Sunday, they be hanging. But I didn't want to be a part of the hanging today. Like, not today. That was giving very much Jacksonville shit just then. And I just couldn't do it. And I wasn't doing it. Oh my God, y'all. I'm wondering why everything's so damn ghetto. I'm in East Atlanta!
Right, onto the I-20.
I'm driving and I'm like, it looks really black over here, like not ghetto, but it looked like I'm in a black neighborhood. Like I look like I'm home type shit, cause it looked like I was home. The whole time I'm in East Atlanta, that's why. I just seen the sign. I'm not doing it because I don't have time for all of the like. I don't want to be with all of that again. So today was like a very unsuccessful grocery shop, and hopefully tomorrow will be way better, because ain't no fucking way. Y'all, today sorry, I was supposed to go to this museum for my class. Well, I have until Sunday to go, but I was supposed to go, like me myself. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go, it's Friday, I'm gonna go since I don't have class. But I was supposed to go, but when I woke up, my iPad wasn't charged. It was only on like 12% because I didn't want to print the booklet out. I just wanted to like take my iPad and like fill it out on my iPad as I went. You know, say the trees, say the environment.
What?
But my iPad wasn't charged, so I had to sit here and wait for my iPad to charge. And by the time all of that happened, it is currently 3:07. The museum closes at 5. It's gonna take almost 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes, maybe 3 hours to fill out this booklet, because you actually have to walk around the museum and read the stuff and fill it out. And then the museum also has like simulations that you can like sit down and experiment with. So when I go, I want to go and I want to have a good time. So I'm gonna go tomorrow. They open at 10 o'clock, and I wake up at 10 o'clock every morning anyway to pay for parking. I know y'all probably gonna be like, if you woke up at 10, why you ain't just get up and go? Yeah, I was tired. I had a long night yesterday. Had a really long night yesterday. Nothing too crazy how y'all probably thinking, but it was just a long night. And then the day before that, I didn't get no sleep because I was up all night editing for my class. So it's just like, I can't win for losing. Today, y'all, I'm going to Target to pick up my mirror, because I don't know if y'all ever noticed. If y'all watched the moving day vlog, and if y'all haven't, I'm going to put that little card thing right here. So get to it and watch after you watch this video. Not now. Y'all probably didn't notice, but I don't have a full body mirror in my room. This is my little outfit, y'all, and it's getting breezy here in Atlanta, baby. So this the outfit. It's a little pretty little thing with some sweatpants, and then I'm gonna put on my foam runners. So if y'all watch the try on haul, then y'all know what the shoes be by, and y'all know where I got them from and all of that. And now that I have all day, I ain't gotta rush, so now I'm gonna take my time. Yeah, I'm always taking my time. That's why I'm always late to places. We gonna make some breakfast, because that's what we doing now. Y'all, I'm not gonna tell y'all what time it is. It is 4:55, and the last time I was standing in front of the camera looking like this, it was, oh my ear, it was 3 something, like at the beginning of turning 3. I'm about to get dressed and I'm finna go to Target. So with traffic, it says it's gonna take, with traffic, 10 minutes. It's not bad at all. I'm finna put my clothes on. Alright, y'all, so I'm dressed. Oh, I was gonna say, but that's just my cover. Boom. You know what I'm saying? A little whooping. It's really nothing. Really, I am none. But I'm finna. Oh, and the bed is made on play. But I'm finna go on the Target now, and y'all will see me when I get there. Y'all, they be out here putting boots on people's cars. That's just, oof. You either pay the part or you pay to get that boot removed, goddamn. And y'all, we scared to think that I was finna change my, oh, I be thinking I need a boot. I have a boot on my car. Oh, I need to get air in my tire for sure. Damn. But what I was gonna say, oh, I'm glad I didn't change my outfit though, because I was about to put on like biker shorts and this, because you know girls love some biker shorts, but I'm glad I didn't, because it is very much nippy out here.
Standing, don't know what I'm saying. How we wait outside, put in the line. What?
This is Atlanta traffic. Ooh. Like, what? Man, everybody run this damn light. So y'all, I'm currently in Atlantic Station, and the hard part about Atlantic Station is always finding parking. Now I could turn right here and park in the parking garage, but where's Target? Where? We here. We're here. I'm gonna get my mask. But we here. Oh, this is fancy. It's fancy around here. I said I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I do need another candle. So I got this candle. It smells really good. Like, really, really good. And I'm trying not to get no more lights because I have enough LED lights. But these are so tempting, like, to get like a lava lamp. Bitches can never go in the store and just pick up, you know? But it's okay. I got my mirror and I got my candle. Alright, y'all, so I am back home. I never realized how much a full body mirror, like, you know, make up a room until I just brought this in. And it's like, okay, now I can see like my whole fit and y'all can see me. And y'all, I added this poster, but now I can finally see all my outfits when I'm going out. And I can see if I'm going out and looking nice or if I'm going out and looking a hot mess. I'm either probably about or eat a piece that's edible. But yesterday, as far as edible wise, I ate like this much. I ate this much and I was gone. Oh y'all, this candle smells so good. Oh, if you're ever in Target, get this Tahitian vanilla. Get that. For sure, for sure. It smells so good.
Everything has to be on that road. Like, if a
what is up, guys? It is Saturday. My edges look a hot mess because I just wet them to, like, you know, clean them up and all of that so I can re-slick them down. But me and my roommates are going out to a Mardi Gras little party, so you guys are going to have the chance to watch me get ready, you know. And this is gonna be an interesting one because I'm also gonna eat an edible as I'm getting ready, so that is gonna make this video at least 10 times better. Just this little and focus without y'all because for one, I'm gonna be late. But I'm just gonna put the lashes on, not the makeup. But this is the outfit, you know. We got this from Pinkco, little necklace from Forever 21, of course. And then got these Moschino leggings. I'm gonna put these on. Or I could put my dunks on. It really don't matter. No fucking ma'am. Cause I know I'm not wearing these. Oh my fucking gosh. And I'm that mad, y'all.